If you're going through a hard time right now, I want you to know you're not alone. I'm experiencing a lot of anxiety and grief and sadness right now over changes in my life, and here's what I'm doing about it. I wake up every morning with a big sense of dread and fear, and I force myself out of bed. And then I force myself to make my bed. And then I force myself to get moving, take my meds, and get dressed. And then I force myself to keep moving. I sit down and I journal all my thoughts to get them out of my head and onto paper. And then I get myself outside where I move my body. Whatever you're feeling right now, it's temporary. You can and you will move through this, and you can and you will feel better. Changing your life is one of the most important and challenging and difficult and profound things that you could ever do. And nobody's going to do it for you. Every morning when you wake up, you get a blank page. You get to decide whether or not you're going to hit the snooze button 5 times and you're going to wake up a hot mess. Or you can decide that today is the day I am changing my life, because I am changing the decisions and the patterns of behavior that I engage in. I am going to get up when the alarm rings. I'm going to take a minute and make my bed. And then I'm going to walk into my closet and pull on my exercise clothes, because damn it, I know I'm in a better mood when I take a walk outside. But I am going to high five myself because I am committed to silencing this in my head. If you want to change your life, you are going to have to fight like hand-to-hand combat all day long. Anxiety is an alarm system in your body. In the most basic sense, it's a response to uncertainty or stress. The most common time for people to feel anxiety is either first thing in the morning or when the sun is going down. Or if you've been drinking, anxiety is actually a symptom of a hangover. Stop saying, I have anxiety. Start saying, I feel anxious. When you say, I have anxiety, you are marrying anxiety with your identity. All that anxiety is, it's a feeling. So when you label it as a feeling and then you go through and you list all the situations or people that trigger it, now you've got a map that will allow you to start to put tools in place to either avoid those situations or take better care of yourself or make a plan for how you're going to deal. Stop saying, I have anxiety. Start saying, I feel anxious.